Are you brushing your teeth?
Mama.
Yeah. Are you gonna call Grandma? Who are you gonna call? Can you say Grandma?
Grandma.
Do you love Grandma? Are you brushing your teeth like a big boy? Oh, you want to put up? Okay, can you say hi, Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Oh, yeah. You love Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Haha. A dog. Who's your dogs? Do you have Rocky? Rocky. And where's Teeny? Where's Teeny? Okay. Say bye, Grandma. Say bye, Grandma. Take the toothbrush out of your mouth for a second. Can you say bye, Grandma? Dak, say bye, Grandma.